Every single day, AB Equipment gets New Zealand to work with world-class brands, machinery, parts and 24-hour service. Leading the way since 1878, bringing New Zealand the latest, the toughest and the most reliable gear to get the job done. Specialist equipment for construction, forestry, material handling and environmental and municipal services. With product teams focused on bringing local industry world-leading brands, we supply a full range of machinery and equipment for New Zealand's terrain. And when there's a need for machine parts or a call for servicing or emergency breakdown support, we're there with specialist technicians 24/7. With a national network of 18 branches right across the country, our teams are on hand to help Kiwi businesses get the job done. Working closely with our customers, out in the field, to see the power and performance of our machines firsthand. It's the best way to appreciate how the gear can really benefit their business. At AB Equipment, we bring in the best, we finance them, and we service them to give local businesses the edge. Keeping New Zealand working, it's not just a promise, it's what we live for. AB Equipment, let's get to work.